Model, 1997 Mazda Bongo Pop-Top Roof Camper Motorhome. Automatic, cool spares OR repair. Body, black, motorhome. Mileage, 98,118. Engine, 2,490 cc. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Headgasket faulty, will need replacing. Worth getting this back on the road. Fully equipped and all working inside, gas hob, sink, pop-top roof, TV. All in full working order. Get in quick and get on your next adventure. Star-struck beach with umbrella. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features, air-con, electric windows, 3 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on